Hey guys, I'm Shrithama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And this time I have brought for you guys a vlog. This is basically a day out in my life vlog. I went on a little lunch date with my college friends and I just wanted to vlog it for you guys. So without me blabbering much, let's actually jump into this video. Also guys, if you like my makeup, then you can follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here on the screen. And now without me actually blabbering much, let's actually jump into this video. Good morning guys, today is the 27th of June and today I'm going on a little outing with my college friends. So I thought, why not vlog? Yeah, because also I'm running out of content clearly, so anyways, right now it's like barely 9 a.m. I need to take a shower, I need to pack my bag and do all the pizzazz. I hope I don't run late today because that's like a running joke. I always run late. But abhi filhal like I need to make sure which bag I'm gonna take, which accessories I'm gonna wear. And the day you decide to go out and an uninvited visitor shows up, anyways, we're gonna have to hustle through that. I'm gonna take you along with my journey. Let's go. Also, in case I didn't mention, we are going to a cafe near Quest Mall. That's where we'll be going. Okay, so here are two of my clothing options. Either I'm gonna wear this tank top, layer it with a shirt, or I'm gonna be wearing this top. I'm really confused. Uske niche black bottoms constant, so we'll see what we wear. Hey guys, right now it's like around 10:30ish and this is my outfit, just a very basic lavender top, uske niche black jeans, and I took a quick shower. I'm gonna do my skincare now, a little bit of makeup, and then we're gonna head out.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take?
So did a little skincare and hair care. Filhal, I'm gonna get a little quick breakfast and gonna do a little bit of makeup. Be right back. This is actually my breakfast, nothing fancy. I know this is literally yogurt with flattened rice, which is basically doi chide in Bengali, without any sugar though. That's what I'm gonna have. So guys, this is my final look. I did my hair up. I usually never do that, but my mom asked me to, so I did that. And I've done like the bare minimum makeup, just a little bit of mascara and lipstick, that's all. And right now it's like around 11, so I'm gonna head out in like 5 more minutes. Just need to make sure I've taken everything, and it's a lunch date, as you know. Yeah, pretty cool.
Take you there. Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Can I take you there?
So update, right now I'm in front of the college and I've met with my friends over here. Shut up. But right now we are waiting for Chandu's shoe.
She gives us money to do all these.
We
do paid promotion.
But her shoe broke, so we are waiting for her dad to bring another shoe and then we'll be off. So we are again running late, but it is what it is.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright.
Ooh la 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 la. Gosh.
So right now we are going to the cafe, which is the Letizia or Letizia, if I'm not wrong.
How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?
Right now we are at the rooftop of the cafe. Ideally, ये हम लोग का best position होता to sit and eat, but it is extremely hot and we don't intend on dying, so most probably we'll go inside. But the ambience over here is just awesome.
সাইডে করে দিই না আমরা এরকম বোকার মতো কাজ করছি কেন দেখি সব
So we came into the main seating dining area, and this place really reminds me of the Shinchan wala thing because we are literally like sitting on like proper sofas like that. Okay, obviously. Because we pashe boshe achi shete nitam na. Okay.
Hello guys, City Pop Vlogs is back.
এটা ক্লিপে ওর একই কথা
Take you there, like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Can I take you there?
Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you?
তুই জানতিস
We love you yaar. ভাই তোরা স্ট্যান্ডার্ড মিস করে গেলি। দুটো স্ট্যান্ডার্ড
This girl said she wasn't coming, but here she is.
হঠাৎ করে শুরু করে দিতে ভয় পেয়ে গেছে।
Can I take you there?
So lunch is done right now, and we'll be going to Quest Mall again. People are taking pictures and all. The place here was decent. The food was also decent. So we are in Quest Mall right now, and definitely this is very rich people ka mall like her. Only she can afford this Burberry, Gucci, Givenchy. Unlike us, I'm talking about her specifically. She's very rich, so she's told me that she's gonna buy me my first ever Gucci. So I'm excited about that.
Guys,
Starbucks.
guys, these vlogs are totally fake.
কত বড় একই বাজে কথা বলছি। Absolutely not.
কাটবি না এটা।
আমি কাটবো না, but this is, I will definitely say, this is an extremely high-end luxury mall. Definitely not for us. So we are directly gonna head to the food court. Okay, this is Meghu Street. Meghu, একবার তাকিয়ে বলে দে। She has paid for our thing. Ice cream, I mean. Lol, we are very grateful. Marpan collection for charity work is constant. অটোতে বললে যদি আওয়াজ শোনা যায় না, but we are going home right now. It's around about 4:30 and our lunch was done. It was a good thing, but the sad part is we'll meet almost like after a month again. What? More than a month, right? I know this is kind of weird, but there's like a fuchka place behind me, and I cannot resist a good fuchka. So I think I'm gonna go have like 10 rupees wala fuchka. Also got a little chow mein for my mom because she's hungry, she's starving. So I'll have the fuchka and then head home. Okay, super random update. I had the fuchka. It was not the greatest, but kind of satisfied my craving for a while. Abhi I'll just go home and literally crash because I'm super tired. That was it for my day. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys later. Bye. So guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll bring up more such interesting and fun videos for you guys. I know I have not been the most consistent lately, but I do try on uploading more videos regularly. Do subscribe to my channel, would mean the world to me, and I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, bye guys.